So the main question here, what's involved should you wish to get invited into the revival meeting? So first of all, you need a classic car that's eligible. In this case, a 1958 Alfa Romeo Giulietta Sprint, affectionately known as Sapphire now, originally known under the name of the Blue Job. So with no further ado, I think what we shall do is I'm going to get suited up, and then I'm going to go and queue, because it's a track day, not a test day, so we're only allowed on the track a couple of cars at a time and for a limited period. So there's a lot of absolutely beautiful machinery and some fabulous people, and I'm very much looking forward to driving this car for the first time ever. It's been under quite a significant restoration for a long period, and it's been laid up, but it is a very successful car. It's got a long and very illustrious racing history. I'm going to get my race suit on. I'm super excited, as you can tell. All right, buddy. Anyway, we've had a great day at Goodwood, and the cars stayed together. Fortuitously, I did miss one gear, and I thought I'd buzz the engine, but the throttle linkage had fell off. And then, as you can see from the mess we made, we've made quite an impression, because we were trying to check whether or not the engine was broken, and then fired oil everywhere, just as the chief scrutineer came over. So, minor details, but it's been great fun. It's been quite emotional for me. It's something I've wanted to do for a very long time. And as you can see, one of the internal videos, I did have a bit of a lip wobble, and then the last session was really enjoying myself. But we're going to park the car up. It's been 20 years not working, so we don't want to break anything else, and it's time for probably a few beers in the bar. So there we go. Hope you've enjoyed it. And to answer the question is, how do you get yourself invited to Goodwood, is we don't know. So you'll have to watch another thrilling instalment and see what happens.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Yes, like and subscribe. And follow Adam's channel. He does some stuff with cars as well. You should never work with children, Adams, and... Mega.